Oh well, all work and no play. Jokes and fun making and all that. He said to us, "So be a ne way." The nickname be a not yet you know, it was amazing. I mean, you track a crane you say oh ebia ya brain na bibia it means next na say na yina we can we na we can we na we can we normally I say obi bibi na or can bibi na bia one can ya na bibi na you know yina e bo mi asre yes we are new back. Now there was this guy I always said in this one. Now Rasta guy no with paycheck. He was amazing. He was amazing on set. Just said boom full on set in this one. And I said who was set in this one. Yeah. Just say the guy was really amazing. Now they be Obama wasri. They be Obama wasri. Obama one day when you veggie in your free mind and and one thing is say Nana G you play my husband. One so oh you be bigger cry no aba. Na say we no say ekoye wo nti we just see biana or ba unim say this is what he's coming to and I like that because open perfection you see obi so hu ofin say wo match nti obi so oh we me and we koyi okay we was say me yen say you know nti ni nyina na Emma Yenije or set so and Nana Kasano and I have Ethiopia. Oh my goodness. So what the trouble for fear by setting this one will be giant to baby. No but if you say no it's so involving just say oh my when you never be brain over count when you bet you. Oh, just say we wouldn't want me think on my energy on Nankasa you'll be a woman the jokes back will be a film I sorry. Oh really some of the jokes are really expensive you ask in and now we're sure I say me and you know but then we show Muzuna in fact you send ya Oma when you're Gina when you're pharmacy so yeah na me be I was it so yeah, cinema kind of technical idea and simple. I think a lot went into. I think the movie, you know, you think say your channel and now your brain and answer your chair, but post production ni mum achepa and ni mum a lot of time because most of the time you be saying na movie Emma, which you be a movie your channel 2011. Me everyone with me na movie e beba out no na say me acting skills na bi aba na nim dodo na I to say you was there when you hear no so and your bad cry very good also God's time is the best na day na won for movie kwa what won for God's time is the best God's time is the best trying to get the best of editing he can get na I think say ni na no maybe na or na make us no so sound can be because unya sound everything here because I am the bio can be see sound no in it Chosky sound oh yeah I don't know technical side in there a comma crew for no media and yeah sana ya the bio kano and I think say he had to take everything to the US to okoye home and you know ni way of professionalism ekoye bibia sana or the everything bibia called 3D you know to get a professional and a perfect sound now me bizan say na no so need also I no share acting bia ne sound and also the two ase you know send any kind emotions here and what the scene means no and normal sound na and what's all the two ase ma etimi a jelly etimi ekoye into yeah sounding na it played very good role nana a lot of professional work with this movie yes a lot of professional work with your wow stressing na better me making ase just say was it to the be stressing cry sound no to me and my control say movie, you know. Baby or go na movie na echi kra the sound I bet see sini a hoshe na eya say kona kohwe sini no kra say sini ben and it is I no be say na a movie no etitie and the sound no so there enye bibia obehwen waso ze ubeti everything the clarity was there bibia perfect uti bibia ye obi nantia it is a nipa nante where at the top form what is the pin crowd to form what is the pin out of form everything was detailing I think it was a professional job done well done and I can say well done. Inti anyway the name me aka say mo bia mesisi anyway baby a obeti mu dawru na obeti mu asem bia wo se wo di echi na okope bi hwe na wo hwe nso a nko amefa ntina wo de ka kira foforo no mu so nya bi hwe na encheche wo na wo de wo ho a wo si Ghana se ne nyefe ana Ghana fo nye professional ana Ghana fo intwa ade a nyema ye hwe wa brochi ne me de be hwe Ghana movie de nka me hwe foreign movie trust me we hwe movie we I won't say ye Ghana and so everything is professionally done we obi a won pe Ghana senia we hwe sini we a obi di Ghana senia chi enti ne make an so obi a en support yen na mo person ni bi nto na mo ni sini na chi na mo ni ho adanse e se ne ameso mi di ho adanse no me dem masipi e ma mo refi is not outer obi a ento bi na ye movie Ghana movie industry